Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are continuing the KM My OC series. So I know I'm super overdue for this. I tried to do once a month, but it didn't happen recently. But basically what this is, for those of you who don't know, is I take your original characters and redraw them in my style. So if you guys would like to participate and have a chance for your OC to be chosen, make sure to post on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag KMMyOC. Also, feel free to post like any range of skill, any type of art, traditional, digital, like sculpture, whatever you want. Like basically everything is up for grabs. Super rendered character, under rendered character, like animal, creature, or humanoid, or anything, just like whatever your heart desires for your OC, you can post it under hashtag KMMyOC. So you know what, with that, let's go ahead and jump in and redraw the 4 for this week. All right, let's kick it off with this first one from AmBlue. I chose this one because I usually don't draw sports characters, especially like with their sports equipment. I usually don't draw that very often. I know I've done a couple like swords and shields and like more battle tactic things, but I don't really draw like sports equipment very much. So I wanted to try my hand at it. And then I also just really like your character design. It is super cute. I love her hair, and like I love the different blues, and the whole outfit choice in general is really, really cute. And it was a good opportunity for me to kind of flex my skills at making more of a sports person. Yay, sports, instead of more of a fantasy-esque character. And then it pushes my muscles on modern clothes too, so I just couldn't resist your character. I really love all the little details you added to her as well, like this little belt chain loop thing with like all the beads and such on it were really cool. And then I also like how you chose to color the character in terms of proposing like asymmetry, especially with her pants. I really like that one leg is primarily like blacked out in color and the other one is white. It's really cool, and it does remind me a lot of like the different snowboarders and skier outfits. I used to do skiing a lot when I was younger. I had a really bad wipeout though when I got a little bit older, and it kind of scarred me for life in a way. You know, like when you're younger and something happens to you and you think it's the worst thing in the world, and you just like don't ever want to get like back into that thing again or anything like that. Yeah, that's basically what happened. So I was going down the mountain really fast in skis, and I couldn't stop. Like I tried pizzaing, I tried everything I could do, and I was just barreling down the mountain. And when you're little, like I might have not even been going that fast, but it felt really fast when I was younger. I mean, for all I know, I was going super fast. Either way, I freaked out and I decided to tuck and roll, but instead I just ate snow. Like so much snow went into my goggles. I tumbled and like my skis went flying, and like I was hurting. Like the whole half of my face was reddish pink for the rest of the day just because of how much I skidded it on the snow. But man, I'd love to try it again. Like I tried snowboarding and I just did not have the coordination for it, but I always did like skiing, so maybe one day I'll try it out. But AmBlue, again, I love your character design. The tattoos were really fun, and just all the little details of the outfit were super cool. So great submission, really great OC drawing, and I had a lot of fun drawing it. And then next up we have Dragon Dreams with your really cool Oni style demon-like girl with a cool like sword thing. This one was really fun to do because you guys know I love drawing characters with horns. Like that is like one of my favorite things to do. And then with the addition of like wings and making this character look kind of like a cool winged demon dragon chick was super fun. So like that I already knew was like game over for me, and I had so much fun doing this design, just like reimagining how the horns would stick out of the head and then adding those like cool claws. I realized though I totally neglected putting the tail. Like I put the wings, but it would have been really fun to put the tail like peeking out from the bottom of the canvas. Like I missed out on that opportunity. Just like I totally spaced and can't believe I forgot a really fun part of this character. For sure, like, if I did a full body, I probably would have remembered to do it, but, you know, things happen. But this character was super fun to draw either way. Like, I haven't done, like, a bright red skinned character, kind of like an Oni or like a demon. Like, I haven't done one of those in a really long time, and it was really fun to try it again, since I just haven't touched a character like this in so long. And then this pose actually did also pose some problems. Like, I was struggling earlier with the hand and like trying to figure out how I wanted it to go, and I just didn't like where it was going, so I just decided I'm gonna just do a completely different arm pose, and that's what I want it to be. So that's how it's gonna be. And I think I must have lost part of the recording, because as you see, I didn't have the fist there and a few other things, but I think I must have lost it or forgot to hit record. But either way, like, I ended up doing like a cool fist instead, and I like how this looks a lot more. And then I got to jump in and do the bright coloring. Like I said, it was fun to do really bright colored characters, and I like the juxtaposition of the brown hair to the bright red skin, and then the bright blue and green eyes. I almost missed that key point. Like, I thought they were both green eyes when I like quickly looked, but then I looked back again, I'm like, oh wait, no, we have two different color eyes. How could I forget that? Really great design. I really had fun drawing this OC, and I hope you like my reimagining of her. All right, next up is from Lyra Lee. I'm so sorry if I butchered your username. Lyra Lee. Maybe that's the better pronunciation. I don't know. I'm sorry if I didn't nail it. Like, you guys know that's just a track record. I'm always really bad at doing usernames. But either way, I really loved your OC. Like, I wanted to do kind of a modern, fun character again, and the design of your character was really cool. Like, I love the different outfit bits, like the kind of shorter crop topish jacket with the elbow pads, and then the striped shirt, and the different colors you chose were really nice. Like, overall, I like the coloring of this piece as well. And your character just looks really fun. Like, I could see this being in like a really cool cartoon. When I redrew it, the haircut, I don't know why it reminds me of something from Scooby-Doo. It's giving me Shaggy vibes, but it's not Shaggy. I don't know how to explain it, but like, I could see this character being in like a cool cartoon or a comic or something. I think that'd be really, really cool. And this was really fun to draw, just doing something more casual and then like diving in and converting your clothing to my style and figuring out how that would work too. And then, like I said again, the colors were super fun. I love the bluish purple with the yellow jacket and the little elbow pads, and then just having those pink pants. Like, I never like have drawn pink pants before, but now I absolutely love them and want to draw them on more characters because they're super fun. Like, again, really great OC. I had a lot of fun with the outfit design and just redrawing this really cute character. And then finally, for the final OC that we're going to be drawing today is from SpicyHeatAx over on Twitter, and this is your really cool medieval babe. This was a lot of fun to do. It's right in my wheelhouse. Like, I just had to draw another comfortable character. Like, I kind of had that with the demon girl, or the dragon girl. I think she was more of a dragon girl, not a demon girl. But I had that, and then of course, like, a cool medieval armored girl is super bamf, so I had to draw that, and I could not resist, because you guys know I really like fantasy and like Dungeons and Dragons and such, so I wanted to try my hand at doing a different type of armor than I've done before. This type of plating and like having the chainmail on the arms. I don't really do it as often, but I wanted to try it out. I also really like drawing this character because she had some other like multiple weaponry, like a cool sword on her back, and then more of this staff item in her hand. And that was like a fun thing to practice, just holding a staff in place and trying out the hand posture for that. And then drawing the big flowing black hair was super fun. Like, I really love doing medieval style characters and doing those different type of character designs and armor designs. I know it's something like I want to practice even more because I have a series that I'm developing that if you guys want to hear some more behind the scenes about it or get some cool like extra images before they're released or like see the development of the show, you can check out my Patreon. I'm working on developing it right now, and I have another show that I'm kind of doing in the background as well that we're trying to design a cool podcast, so that's all the little bits you guys are gonna get. But if you want to know more about it and behind the scenes, you can check out my Patreon. But in both of those, I do a lot of medieval style characters and a lot of different cool designs, like different armors and things, and I've been wanting to expand my armor vocabulary. I have like a book of armor and swords and things, but I just don't really diversify my drawings enough in terms of character design. Like that's what helps with YouTube, like doing these and like other character design challenges helps me break out of my mold and really push myself to try designs that like I never would have done in the past. I do sometimes still fall into my old comfortable familiars with like certain armor looks, like certain type of shoulder guards or like greaves or different things. But I'm trying really hard to break out of that and do a couple of different designs that I usually don't do. So I know I can expand on that more. And if you guys want to send me some cool armor you know about, like shoot me a message on Twitter and send me like some cool pictures of armor, because I'm telling you guys, I really want to diversify and expand my armor knowledge. Maybe that's what I should do. I have a fun idea for Inktober, you guys. I'm really excited, but we're going to be releasing that later. And I think doing this particular challenge that I'm thinking of is going to really help expand my character design in general during Inktober. But again, SpicyHeatAx, you did great. I really love your character, and she was super fun to draw. Thanks for giving me the opportunity and posting your character. And there we have it. We have the 4 OCs that were chosen for this week's KM My OC, and I really love drawing all these. You guys have so many amazing ideas, so many diverse and cool characters to choose from that it was really hard even to just pick these 4. So for those 4 that were chosen, if you guys would like to get a copy of Your OC, I'm going to be posting these on both Twitter and Instagram, so you can check them out there. And again, I really encourage you guys, no matter what your skill range is, or if you work more traditional or digital, go ahead and post your OC under KM My OC for a chance for me to redraw it. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if you aren't already, you can go and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week, ranging from OC redraws to like monster mashes to dragon designs, like so many different videos. And then also I would make sure to hit that bell icon to get all notifications on my channel, because I've been hearing some people are having issues seeing my videos, so make sure to hit that little bell and hit all notifications to make sure you get my videos. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.